Hey guys, are you forming an LLC in 2025? An operating agreement is one of the most important documents you will need, and LegalZoom provides a ready-to-use template. But what exactly does it include and how useful is it? Let's break it down step by step. So an operating agreement outlines how your LLC will be run, ownership, rules, and what happens if someone leaves. So LegalZoom gives you a downloadable state-specific template either as a part of LLC package or as a standalone add-on. So the template starts by listing all LLC members and their ownership percentages. It includes provisions for single members or multi-member LLCs and clearly defines decision-making authority, voting rights, and responsibilities of each member. Next, it converts how much each member is contributing to the business, whether it's cash, equipment, or services, and how profits and losses will be split. This helps avoid conflicts down the road by settling finances expectations from day one. The agreement outlines how the business will be managed by the members or by appointed managers. It defines how votes are conducted, what qualifies as a major decision, and how meetings are called even for single member LLCs. So, the agreement outlines how the business will be managed by the members or by appointed managers. It defines how votes are conducted, what qualifies as a major decision, and how meetings are called, even for single member LLCs. And if a member wants to leave or sell their share, LegalZoom's template includes buyout rules and transfer procedures. It also details what happens if the business dissolves, how debts are paid, and remaining assets distributed. So, while the document is pre-filed with legal language, LegalZoom allows some customization during setup. You can also upgrade to attorney support for help tailoring the template to your state laws and specific needs, especially if your LLC has complex dynamics. So, LegalZoom's operating agreement template in 2025 is a practical, legally sound document that covers the core needs of most LLCs. Whether you're a solo founder or launching with partners, it provides a structure, clarity, and peace of mind without starting from scratch. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.